So guys, what will be the value of x in this question? So 8 power x is common. 1 plus 1 equal to 8. So 8 power x multiplied by 2 equal to 8. So if I divide both sides by 2 and 2, these two cancel with 8 and remain 4. These two cancel with 2. 8 power x equal to 4. So can I write 8 equal to 2 power 3? So 2 power 3 into x equal to, can I write 4 equal to 2 power 2? So 2 power 2. When the basis is, 2 power 2. When the basis is same, exponent will be equate. So 3 power x equal to 2. So x will become equal to 2 divided by 3, the value of x. So the value of x is 2 divided by 3. This is the right answer. Thank you very much.